Sorry that last video was only 50 seconds, folks, but damn. That GIB Chimken Amigo level was 34 seconds. It was like 3 moves, and I beat that. And I wasn't even trying to do it with the power-ups, really. It was crazy, but I couldn't turn that into a longer level. I just couldn't. But here we go.
Are you ready?
No, Linda, we're never ready.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Amazing friend.
There we go.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? You're amazing, friend. Sup, ladies?
And there we go. Cool.
That's what I'm talking about.
Very, very good. See, this is already a minute and over a minute long. That last level was crazy, wacky. Wow. But yeah, this is 3 stars. Let's see what's coming up next. Oh, a villain level. Nyuk, nyuk. Well, I'm going to do that as its own video. So I will catch you in the next one, folks.